Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see mapping in K-maps. We are going to see how to map normally in K-maps for a given truth table. You are going to find the min terms. For the min terms, you are going to map the K-maps. So we are going to see an example, okay, to illustrate the mapping in K-maps. We will take an example of two variable map to illustrate this. That means you are going to take only a small K map which has 4 boxes, because 2 to the power 2 is 4. So you will have 4 boxes K map. Okay. So since it is two variable, you will have 4 combinations. So the truth table is given here. Okay. So you are going to see the truth table. X and Y are the input and F is the output. Since it is a two variable K map, you will have 4 combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. And the output is given here. It is given in the question itself. So based on this output, you are going to find the min terms, and then you are going to write the expression as well as the cardinal form. And based on that min terms, you are going to draw you are going to map the K map. So here you can see the output column. You have first two rows you have 0 and second two rows you have 1. Okay. So normally for min terms you will be taking only if the output is 1, you are going to write the min terms for that. You are not going to take the zeros. Okay. So you are going to take only the ones for the min terms. So for these last two rows you are going to find the min terms. So this is the min term what you got, x dot y dash, because you got x here, you got 1, and for y you got 0. So you got this x dot y dash, and the final row you have both ones. So it is x dot y. So using this min term, you are going to form an canonical form. So you can see canonical SOP expression for this table is f equal to x y dash plus xy. So this is the min terms what you got, and you have combined it using the SOP and made it as a canonical sum of product expression. Now for this, the cardinal form is f equal to summation of 2 comma 3, because you are going to take only the last two rows which we found the min terms. So that is 2 and 3. Okay. So you are going to map this function first. We will draw the empty two variable K map as shown. So here for mapping the two values, you are going to use a two variable K map, because you are going to use only x and y alone. So you are going to draw that. So we already discussed about how to draw the K map and how to number it. Anyway, we will be discussing it again. So you have two variables x and y, and x is taken in the left hand side, and right on top you got y. Now the values are 0 and 1. So for that you will have the variable x dash and x, that is the complement. X dash is the complement, and then uncomplemented x. And same way you got 0 and 1. So you have y dash and y for the top column. Now the numbering. So the first box you are going to number it as 0, and then second box, that is first row right hand side box is 1. Then below that you have 2 and 3. Now since you have only 2 and 3 as the min terms, you are going to mark it this way. So mark 1 for the square for M2 and M3. M2 and M3 as the output 1. So you are going to mark that. So here the K map will look like this after marking 1. So only for 2 and 3 you are going to mark 1. And the first two, that is 0 and 1, you didn't mark anything. So after marking once, what you have to do is, you have to after entering once for all the output 1 outputs, then enter 0 in the blank squares. First what you have to do is, whenever, whether it is 2 variable, 3 variable or 4 variable K maps, so you have to first locate all the min terms. Okay, in the cardinal form they will be given the min terms. You have to take the min terms numbers and fill it accordingly in the K map. Okay, that is nothing but mapping, right? You are going to map it in the K map. After filling all the ones, you are going to fill the remaining empty boxes with 0. So here you got two boxes, 0 and 1. We don't have ones there. So you are going to, that is the remaining boxes, you are going to fill it with 0. Okay, so this is how you are going to map it in the K map. After that, we will see about reducing it into an that is minimized version of the Boolean expression. So hope you understood this video. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you.